So welcome to the other side of Nairobi. I think this is one of the favorite streets in Nairobi. So let's keep on going. I'm still in the streets of Nairobi, so make sure you subscribe, guys. Let me keep on showing you Nairobi. This is a beautiful Nairobi. So if you are watching my video without subscribing, guys, kindly subscribe. Let's keep on working. This is beautiful Nairobi. Let's keep on walking. So let's keep on going, guys. Let's keep on walking. We are in the capital city of Kenya, which is Nairobi. So if you come to Nairobi, make sure you visit this place. Let's keep on walking.
Saturday.
These are the beautiful streets of Nairobi. Let's keep on walking. Let's keep on walking. Make sure you subscribe on my channel. I'm still in the streets of Nairobi. Let's keep on walking. Guys, I think I should end my video here. So see you in the next video.
It's time for you to let it all go. Catch the waves that stay rolling in. Reach up higher and go follow the sun. Let the breeze come and drift away. Can you feel the fire as you follow the sun? Do 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 do. flow.
Okay, guys.
It's time for you to
Make sure you
let it
subscribe.
all go. Catch the waves as they're rolling in. Reach up higher and go follow the sun. Let the breeze come and drift away. Can you feel the fire as you follow the sun? Catch the waves as they're rolling in. Reach up higher and go follow the sun. Let
So
the breeze come and drift
So
away.
guys, I think I should end my video here. Kindly see you in the next video. Bye.